Favorite quotes is this: just because it's taking time doesn't mean it's not happening. And honestly, a lot of people quit on themselves because they expect it to happen just like that, but that's not how reality works. You go to the gym for a couple of weeks and you still hate the mirror. You start walking every morning for a bit, the scale doesn't move. You try rebuilding your marriage, the worst one, and the tension is awful. You stop drinking, there's no peace. You start a business, nobody notices at first. You start posting videos and 10 people watch instead of 10,000. And that's usually when you quit. People think, if it was really working, I would see results already. Life almost never works like that, especially if you look like this. Healing is slow. Weight loss is slow. Trust is slow. Discipline is slow. Financial recovery is slow. Changing your mindset is slow. Social media has completely destroyed people's patience, because now people expect success, healing, confidence, money, instant happiness. But it's not how it works. Most meaningful changes happen quietly before anyone notices. You start changing your habits, your routines change, your mindset changes, your reactions change, your disciplines change, and eventually your entire life changes. But most people quit while you're invisible. That season where it feels like nothing is happening. That season where you're putting in a lot of effort, seeing no rewards. I felt it at the beginning of this. The season when you're exhausted. Is it even working? That's where you build your character, folks. You got to do the work before the rewards arrive. So I keep walking, keep rebuilding. I show up every MFing day, keep filming. Now I have thousands and millions of people who have looked at my stuff, but it didn't happen overnight. It took years, slowly, little by little. My life is changing. My life is good. My health is better. My head is changing. My future is completely different than when I started this. So is yours, even if you can't see it. If you're frustrated right now, please listen. Do not confuse slow progress with failure. Sometimes the most important changes are underneath your skin before everybody else sees them. This is my favorite quote of all time, in case you need to hear it. Just because it's taking time doesn't mean it's not happening. Just because it's taking time doesn't mean it's not happening. Please say that today as you're going through and you're deciding to start or continue your journey. It's so very important. I know I get on here most of the time and I'm a negative Nelly. We got this. We got this. But you got to start. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe and the follow button and share. I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Thank you.